In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give TikTok Ads Manager access. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your TikTok Ads account with the right role and permissions so they can help manage your campaigns safely and efficiently. Start by opening your TikTok Ads account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the ad assets you want to share. You'll need the proper administrative privileges to add members, so if you don't see the options I mention, you may need to check your access level first. Once you're in the account, look for the Users section. Depending on your interface, this is typically found in the main navigation or within account settings. Open Users to view the current list of people who have access. Next, select Add Member. This is the option that lets you invite a new person to your account. You'll be prompted to enter an email address. Type in the business email of the person you're granting access to. Double check for typos here because the invitation will be sent to that exact address, and if it's wrong, they won't receive it. After entering the email, choose Assign Role. Roles define the general level of control the person will have. For example, an admin-style role can manage members and settings, an operator-type role can create and edit campaigns, and a viewer or analyst role is typically read only. Pick the role that matches what you want this person to do, keeping security and accountability in mind. Click. Next to continue. Now you'll select Account Permissions. Think of permissions as the specific switches that control what actions the person can take, such as managing campaigns, accessing reports, or handling billing. Choose only what's necessary for their responsibilities. This helps protect your account while still enabling them to do their job. When you're satisfied with the role and permissions, click Save. TikTok will then verify your action by sending a 6-digit code, typically to your registered email or phone, depending on your security settings. Have that device handy. Enter the code promptly, since verification codes often expire quickly. Once verified, the invitation is sent. The person you added will need to accept the invite on their side to finalize access. If they don't see it, ask them to check spam or junk folders. If you run into issues, confirm you have admin-level access, ensure the email address is correct, and try resending the invitation. That's it. You've successfully given TikTok Ads Manager access with the exact role and permissions you intended.